Mastering hydraulics, a key engineering foundation. Imagine controlling powerful machines with just a little force. That's hydraulics, using pressurized fluids to create movement and energy. It's foundational in engineering, making tasks like lifting heavy loads and operating brakes seamless. Let's dive into the science behind this amazing concept. Hydraulics focuses on practical systems using fluids, like pumps and valves, to generate power. Fluid mechanics, on the other hand, studies the behavior of fluids in motion and at rest. Think of hydraulics as the application, while fluid mechanics is the theory that explains it all. From hydraulic excavators on construction sites to aircraft landing gear, hydraulics is everywhere. It powers elevators, car brakes, industrial machinery, and even theme park rides. Without hydraulics, modern infrastructure wouldn't function as efficiently. Understanding hydraulics equips engineers to design systems that solve real-world problems. It's essential for innovating safer, more efficient solutions in various industries and contributes directly to technological advancements. Simply put, hydraulics bridges engineering theory with impactful, practical outcomes. Ready to expand your engineering expertise? Learn to define, differentiate, and apply hydraulics effectively. Discover how this essential discipline can set you up for success in the engineering world. Like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights into mastering engineering concepts.